Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to clean an iPad charging port. This will be an easy tutorial and a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have this older iPad here with the charging port over here, but it's going to be the same process no matter how old your iPad is. As long as it has a charging port, you can use this method to clean it. If you're not getting a clear charge when you plug it in, if the charge sometimes happens and sometimes it doesn't when you plug it in, or if it's not charging at all, if your iPad is not charging, this is usually going to be a great solution for you. So let's get right into the video. What happens is, over time, okay, your charging port actually gets flooded with all sorts of different debris. So dirt can get in there, lint can get in there, you know, whether you keep your iPad in your bag, in your purse, in your pocket, if your pocket is big enough, wherever you keep your iPad, all that sort of gunk is going to get in there. All that you need is something small and delicate that can clean out the gunk. Now, what I've used for this, and this always works very, very well, is just a standard toothpick. And this works with this older style charging port, okay? If you have a newer iPad with a lightning port, then obviously you might be able to fit this in. It all depends on what size your toothpick is. But other things that work are like small objects, but you want to avoid using anything that is metal and sharp. Okay, you can use metal objects as long as they're not sharp, but if you use, like, for instance, a sewing needle, you can really do some damage in there. What you can use, on the other hand, might be like a hair clip of some sort. The edge of a hair clip wouldn't be as sharp, okay? So what you want to do is take your utensil, and you want to just go in there and gently, just try and go around the area, okay? And what we're aiming to do is instead of digging this way, I don't want to dig this way, I want to pull back, okay? So I'm taking this, and I'm going to go, and I'm pulling back across, and then I'm going to be lifting out like this, just like that. And what that's going to do is I'm going to take all of the lint and all of the threads, and I'm going to drag them across, and then pull them out like that, okay? Now this charging port, luckily for me, I cleaned it a few weeks ago. I should have made a tutorial on it. But I cleaned it a few weeks ago, so it works really well. But when I cleaned it, it was full, absolutely full of dirt and debris. So once again, I would go ahead and I would drag it. You're gonna sort of drag it in a backwards motion, and then pull it out. You want to avoid touching the pins on the charging port, in the charging port. So you can hear I'm not going against the pins. The pins are on this side. I'm going against this wall over here, okay, in which there's no pins against that wall, just like that. And so I'm dragging it across. Once I get across, I'm changing the angle so I can sort of pull it out like that. That's it. You'll notice, you'll probably notice there is a lot of dirt and lint in your iPad charging port. And that's going to affect the ability and the quality of the charge that you get. You can also repeat this process with your phone if your phone, or your iPhone specifically, is not charging. But that's basically it. That is how to clean the charging port on an iPad easily. This has been a full tutorial and a very simple and easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.